Hey everyone, welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today, we've got a treat for you, the ultimate baked mac and cheese recipe. I'm Molly Watson, and I'm excited to share this mouthwatering dish with you. If you're a mac and cheese lover, you're in for a real treat. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this baked mac and cheese. Don't worry, it's nothing complicated. You probably have most of these in your kitchen already. Here's what you'll need. Elbow macaroni, butter, all-purpose flour, milk, cheddar cheese, sharp for extra flavor, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, mustard powder, salt and pepper, breadcrumbs, for that crispy topping. Make sure to grab these ingredients, and let's move on to the next step. Now, let's get that macaroni cooking. Follow the package instructions, but remember to leave it slightly undercooked. We want it to finish cooking in the oven later for that perfect texture. While that's boiling away, let's move on to the next step. The heart of any good mac and cheese is the cheese sauce. This one is creamy and full of flavor. Let's start by melting some butter in a pan, then adding the flour to create a roux. Once that's nice and smooth, slowly pour in the milk while whisking to avoid lumps. Now, it's time to add the star of the show, our trio of cheeses. Watch them melt into a glorious, gooey mixture. Season with mustard powder, salt, and pepper to taste. Trust me, this sauce is going to elevate your mac and cheese game to a whole new level. Our macaroni should be ready by now. Drain it and mix it into that luxurious cheese sauce. Ensure every noodle is coated. This is the secret to a delicious baked mac and cheese. Now, transfer it all into a baking dish. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's top it off with a generous layer of mozzarella and sprinkle some Parmesan for that golden, cheesy crust. And of course, we can't forget the breadcrumbs. This is what will give our mac and cheese that perfect crunch. Preheat your oven and pop that mac and cheese in. While it's baking, take a moment to appreciate the amazing aroma filling your kitchen. In about 20-25 minutes, you'll have a bubbling, golden masterpiece waiting for you. The hardest part? Waiting for it to cool slightly before digging in. And there you have it, the ultimate baked mac and cheese. Just look at that gooey, cheesy goodness. Scoop yourself a generous portion onto a plate, and let's savor the moment together. This is comfort food at its finest, folks. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed making it. If you give it a try, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Thanks for joining me today on Spice World Kitchen. If you have any requests for future recipes, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video, and remember, good food equals good mood.